Stop.
When you stop falling over.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today Peter is going to shoot me. So we cleaned out our wardrobe the other day and I found these really cool boots in there and said I wanted to do a shoot in them. So yeah, Peter's gonna build some lighting and we will take it from there. And Anna's filming today.
So cool, I haven't taken any shots yet. I've got 80mm on the camera, my standard settings, which is 100 ISO, 160th of a second at f8. I'm taking my lighting feel based on this picture of Kate Moss from Love magazine. So that's the sort of feel that I'm basing it on. With this, I've just set up a V-board in here. And in here, I've just got, it's like a fluoro flash. So it's a flash that has like a it's not a fluorescent tube, but it's a long flash. It's a long tube flash. I don't know exactly what they call it, but I'll call it tube flash. Cool, and I've just got that bouncing into V-flats. I could also just do this with a bare bulb. So I haven't done a shot yet. I'm just gonna do a test shot. And what I'm trying to do is create, it's pretty close, a bit overexposed, but I'm trying to create shadow, light, shadow. So, and I also want to I need to turn it down a fraction, but at the same time, I want to move this shadow of Beck a little bit closer to her. So if I get Beck to take a tiny step backwards, only about that much, yeah, cool. I also want the shadow on the other side to move a little bit further that way. So if I move my camera a little bit this way, hopefully, so that's going to give that. Let's just do that first and I'll worry about exposure. Cool. So I've got this where I want this to be a little bit further off her. I can get you to take one step sideways and again. Cool. So by moving her across, you'll see that we're starting to open up this here. We've also turned the light down a bit. Another step that way. And just, you'll see how that shadow here has just moved further out. We're starting to get that gap about right. I think we can go one more step. Yeah, one more step that way. So I'm just fine tuning. Cool. To put her in the middle of the white area, that's cool. So it's looking like we've got about a similar area there to there. I wouldn't mind getting this a little bit darker on this side of the face. So I'm going to play a second. It might completely stuff it, but let's bring that board in narrower. And all it did was mess my shadow up. Didn't make her, so it didn't really change much. So let's put that back out. I'm going to swing this around more. I'm just trying a couple of different things to see what's going to give me the quickest fall off. I think I like that better. Definitely like that better. I'm just going to move everything. It's a pain, but I'm going to move the whole thing back a little bit. Oh. Try and keep the same. Keep the same light. I just want, oh, that fixed it. Right, so I'm just turning that reflector around to get more power onto this board here and less power onto that board there. And that seems to have, cool, I'm done. It's right on the edge of overexposing on her leg, so I might just come down 2/10. I'll take a shot, give us a really, really good face. Cool, so now I'm just going to do my camera work to this quickly. Oh, we had an up curve on this, I didn't want that. I'm going to jump it into black and white. I'll stay on the green channel, I'm happy with that. I'm thinking about putting a chromia feel onto her skin, that's cool. I'm just looking at, yeah, I want to go a bit darker than the other picture. I want that more chromia feel. I don't want it, in fact, I'm most likely there is good. There is fine. Just have a bit of shadow fill in there. Yeah, no, I don't need any curve on there, maybe. So yeah, I've got some shadow fill on this, and I've pulled up the blacks a bit, and besides that, I'm gonna just leave the rest as it is. And I might just get back to take the slightest of steps backwards. Yeah, cool. And that's just to move this shadow in a little bit closer. That's the only reason I've done this. Let's see what we get now. Cool, it's really cool. And if I'm happy with this, just trying one other little thing. Sorry, I can't stop fine tuning. But these are the lights I get very fussy on because, yeah, happy with that. Cool. Might just drop a touch lower. Cool, awesome, awesome. Cool. So if I'm happy with everything I've got there, and I am, I'm really happy with that. So now Beck's just gonna do her stuffs. Cool? Mm-hmm. Off you go. Cool. Nice, yeah, nice and strong. It's definitely that Adriana Lima. Cool, cool. Nice, I like that.
Too wide with the legs?
Nah, there's no such thing as too wide with legs. Nah, see, it doesn't even look wide at all. Make sure you keep bum back, just tuck your bum back a touch if you go wide, but you can go wider than that if you... Sorry, you're going to fall over? That's cool. Just cool. Nice, nice. Cool. Attitude. That's nice. That's really cool. Beautiful, beautiful. Cool, cool. She a bit special. I reckon she's nailed at least 10 shots in this lot. Yeah, the wide ones are definitely the stuff. Yeah. Do a bit more. All right, we'll just go for the hero shot. Oh, what's with the dance? Is this the back dance? Cool, nice. Cool. Awesome, awesome. Nice, nice. Keep that, yeah, cool. That attitude, cool. I love that face, that's really cool. Cool, beautiful, beautiful. Loving everything you're doing. All right, you gotta have it.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed that. I will throw up some other fashion videos that we've got on our channel around my head now.